Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. Just wondering whether you've ever seen our Counting at the Zoo flashcards. They're really good for practicing counting and practicing counting in a sentence. So there are matching cards, 1 to 10, and they're all different colours, and the colours match the animal. So for example, this orange colour is matching that one, so that we know that that's the match if we're playing like a flashcards game or a memory game, or snap. If the children can't read, then they can still match the colours. And then at the bottom you can see it turns into a sentence, ko tahi te kākiroa, and that means one giraffe. And then here's another example, e rua ngā arewhana, 2 elephants. And so obviously the colour matches are like that, but if you were just wanting to ask how many, you would say e hia ngā reno, how many rhinoceroses. And then if there were 10 of something, te kau ngā, and then this one is honu, te kau ngā honu. So it's a good way of knowing how to use the numbers in a sentence. And we also have lots of game ideas here for things like snap and memory, lots of different games on each side. And so it's a really good idea to have those, and when they're all upside down like this, they're all looking the same, so it's really good for other kind of games where you're just turning over and matching. Just thought I'd let you know about that in case you didn't know about it. It's a good one to match up with anything to do with counting and animals. Ka kite.